Use blue is for goo. Use your blue magnet. You will put the needle in, bevel down, which I'll show you in a second when we actually aspirate. But when I flush the pocket, I want to do it on the actual expander so you can see what happens in the pocket. So blue is for goo. Let me line up my needle. You can see that. Bevel down. I always follow the angle of the magnet. And I am at metal. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 10 to 15 cc's of tap water in this case, but you'll use saline. Okay, that's about 20. That's fine. All right. Now, this is what it looks like inside the pocket. So you'll be able to see, you see how the water is going through and being able to flush away that area to make sure there's nothing blocking the drains. Good. You did that. You'll flush it back, you'll pull it back out, and now you're ready to aspirate. So let's go to the actual model to show the aspiration. Okay. Once again, blue is for goo. So now that you've cleared the drains, this needle will already be in here and this will already be set up, but you've cleared the drains, and now you want to go ahead and aspirate. What I've done here is I've simulated a seroma. I put a AlloX2 expander in a baggie with some water to simulate a seroma. So the patient, again, is sitting at 45 degrees. Make sure you massage the bottom of the breast and the side of the breast to make sure that there's no fluid in the, or any fluid that's there, you're working it down towards the bottom. Now we will find our, there we go. You can see it's going to pull towards the port. You're not going to be able to really put this down anywhere except where the port is. Again, I'm showing here that you're putting your bevel down. I follow the direction of the magnet, follow the angle, same angle, and I'm going to push down until I feel metal. Okay. Feel the metal, we are ready to go. Now, let's aspirate this seroma. So what you'll do is you'll see that you want to pull very slowly, and you'll see how fluid will come out of that pocket if fluid is present. Very simple. So, as you can see, flush, you want to flush first, 10 to 15 cc's of fluid to make sure that there's nothing blocking the drain. Then you can go ahead and aspirate. When you're done aspirating, blue is for goo. You already did that. Now it's time for yellow. As you can see, the yellow magnet only works for the fill port, just like the blue magnet only works for the blue is for goo aspirating port. You're ready to fill. You can pull your needle out. Do the same thing over here. One final tip, you can, during the fill, anytime you're using the, anytime you're using the aspirating port, whether you're flushing or whether you're pulling, you can use an 18 gauge needle, if you want something a little bit bigger, but these needles work just fine too. But you obviously can't use the 18 gauge needle for the actual fill. You can only use it for flushing and aspirating purposes. Alrighty, blue is for goo. Remember it, call me anytime. Thanks.